Hey guys, this is Jerry, welcome to the channel. Today will be the quick tutorial video to show you how to start and stop your MG4 electric vehicle. As always, please subscribe and like down below if you're interested in any other MG tutorial videos in the future. As always, I'll leave all the timestamps down below for you to skip forward, and let's get started. Alright, to start the vehicle, first thing, you always need your car key with you, or at least inside the car. If your key is not inside the car, you will not be able to switch on. Next, we want to sit on the driver's seat once we jump in the vehicle. Once you're on the driver's seat, the screen will light up, just like that. Same with the center screen. So both screens will be on. That means the vehicle is engaged in sort of accessory mode, but with aircon and lights and all that things. But the motor is not switched on. So to switch on the motor, first thing you want to do is actually close the driver door. If you do not close the driver door, you cannot switch on the motor. And after closing the driver door, after fully closed the driver door actually, you will need to apply the brake. Will it be heavy touch? So just like this. That means the vehicle shows the ready sign. In this instance, the vehicle is now ready to go. You can now read going forward and backwards using the control lever. Let's say in some situation you have applied your brake a little bit early before you close the door. This is what will happen. Even if you're still pressing it, nothing will react. You will need to release your pedal all the way and press again. Just like that, the ready sign will be on. So that's how that works in the motion. Go into the driver's seat first, close the door next, and then start the vehicle by applying the brake. So that's how go into the ready mode. Once you get into that, you can then go reverse, neutral, park, and all that. Pretty simple. Next part is how to shut off the motor. There are quite a few ways or quite a few processes you can do. First way is once you finish off, all you need to do is just open the driver door. You'll notice that ready sign is now gone, so that means the motor is completely shut. Although the screen and aircon will still stay on. I'll show you how to shut off. Once you get out of the car, like this, all you need to do is just close the door. Either press the lock button or press the button on the door. That means the motor, the vehicle, everything's completely off. There's no screen, there's no aircon, stuff like that. Another way, when the vehicle is ready in ready mode, to shut off the vehicle completely, directly, without opening the door, you can just go into the vehicle setting, which is located over here, or swipe left, we can go to the vehicle. Under the vehicle, we are going to go to safety. Under the safety, there's a power, vehicle power. You do need to make sure your gear lever is on park. That means you can shut off. Press power off, press power off. Just like that. Everything's completely off. After that, if you still want to use screen, you can still have access to limited information like navigation, like the radio, but you cannot do anything with the aircon until you start the vehicle again. If you want to switch off the screen, very simple, push and hold this home button for around 3 to 5 seconds. Just like that, screen's off. Now the vehicle is completely off. And after that, if you do still want to switch on the vehicle, if you're still on the driver's seat, no panic, you still have your key with you or inside the car, the easy way, just simply apply the brake. And the screen and the vehicle is going to be switched on again. So a very simple way. Last way is another just combined of the first two ways to shut off the vehicle. What you want to do, you can open the door, the ready mode is gone. We close the door, the ready mode is not going to be engaged because I'm not applying the brake another time. So the vehicle is gone into, again, sort of accessory mode, but you still get your aircon, your lights stay on. After that, what you want to do, you can still go into the car setting, which is the same function, and press power off. That means you still stay inside the car where the engine or the motor actually is off. Again, if you do want to switch off the screen, press and hold for 5 seconds. The screen is gone, so the vehicle is shut off again. And there you have it. That's how to switch on and switch off your MG4 electric vehicle. Please subscribe and like to support this channel. I will see you next video.